Hi, Algebra 2. So we're going to talk about the RAD4 work. We're going to go ahead and, like bases, we can add these together. So I'm going to get 8 RAD3. Remember, the radical doesn't change when you're adding or subtracting. Everything's the same radical, so 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9, so I get 9 root 2. Third root of 5 is on both, so 9 minus 6 is 3. Third root of 5. Number 6, so careful because those are both third roots. So 4 plus 2 is 6, so I get 6 third root of 3. And then let's go ahead and subtract those. Minus 4 root of 3. Excuse me. We have third root of y's on both, so 4 minus 9 is negative 5, third root of y. Now we have to break 8 down, so that's 4 times 2 plus 11 root 2. Square root of 4 is 2, comes to the outside and multiply. So that's going to give me 33 root 2. Number 9, I need to break 27 down to 9 times 3. 4 root 3 stays as is. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 root 3 minus 4 root 3. 24 minus 4 is 20, so I get 20 root 3. Number 10, let's break 128 down. So that's going to be 64 times 2. Okay, 64 is a nice big perfect square that goes in there. Let's break 18 down into 9 times 2. That's a big perfect square, plus 4 times 16 times 2. Square root of 64 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 plus 16 is 29 root 2. All right, so we're looking for perfect cubes. So 8 times 2 is 16. 8's a perfect cube. And then third root of 54, that's going to be 7 times 8. So third root of 8 is 2. 2 times the outside 3 is 6. So I get 6. Third root of 2. Third root of 8 is 2. And that's what we get. Number 12. I'm looking for, let's see, I need to break that up a little bit. 125 is a perfect cube. And then a to the third, a to the first. And then minus 8, or a, 3. All right, so third root of 125 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Third root of a to the third is a. So I get third root of a. Minus third root of 8 is 2. So 2 joins the outside a. So I get 2a. Third root of a. And I have third root of a's. I both have 10a and 2a. So 10a minus 2a is 8a. Third root of a. That's what it looks like. Number 13, still want third roots. So 8's going to be a good third root for 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. And then let's see, 2 third root. What do you think? 27 times 4? 108? Yeah. All right, third root of 8 is 2. 2 times the outside 5 is 10. So I get 10 third root of 4. Minus third root of 27 is 3. 3 times outside 2 is 6. All same radicals, so 10 minus 6 is 4, so I get 4 third root of 4. Let's factor on this one first. Okay, let's see. I'm going to factor this. That's going to be b minus 1 plus root 2b minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to break 8 down to 4 and 2. Square root of 4 is 2, and then I'm left behind all the rest. This one is same thing as 1, 2b minus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and then I get square root of b minus 1. All right, we're just foiling. So 2 times 5 is 10 root 3. And then multiply out there. So that's going to give me 2 root 6. Inside, root 3 times root 3 is 9. 9 times that 5, or square root of 9 is 3. Times that 5 is 15. And then plus root 18. 10 root 3 will not break down. 2 root 6 will not break down. 15 is just 15. This will break down to 9 times 2, so that square root of 9 is going to give me 3 root 2. And that's my final answer. There's no like terms in there. Multiply, so remember this is going to be root 2 minus root 5, written twice. So root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Root 4 is 2. Root 2 times negative root 5 is negative root 10. Negative root 5 times negative root 2 is negative root 10. Root 5 times root 5 is going to be negative. 5 times 5 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Combine like terms, so 2 minus 5 is negative 3. There's a 1 in front of both of those. Minus 2 root 10. Go ahead and FOIL this. So root 5 times root 5 is root 25, which is 5. Minus root 15 plus root 15 minus root 9, which is 3. Those cancel, so 5 minus 3 is just 2. All right, 3 times 3 is 9. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4, so let's leave that for that right now. Minus 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2 minus 16. Those cancel. 9 root 4 is 2, so that's going to give me 18. 18 minus 16, and just come up with 2. All right, so let's take a look at this review. And please find the square roots of the following. Okay, so it's kind of weird. Square root of that is 2. Square root of that, I don't know where the roots are, is 3 over 10. Use a calculator on that. That's going to give you 0.8. Third root of negative 125. Let's see, I can do all that. So that's going to be negative 5, because negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. Third root of b to the 6th is 3 goes into 6 twice, so b to the 2nd, so negative 5b to the 2nd. Fourth root is negative. I have a negative there. Fourth root of 16 is just going to give me 2. So look here, 9th root in this, that's going to cancel that. So the radical's gone, so I'm just going to get b plus 7. For this particular one, I want to factor it first, so that's going to be x minus 6, which is the same thing as x minus 6 quantity squared. So square root of that is just going to give me x minus 6. That's a little tricky. Multiply, that's going to give me root 21. This is going to give me third root of 12. Let's see, 8 is a perfect cube. Nope, that's just going to be our answer. Don't go any further. Third root of 12. Fourth root of 56. Okay, fourth root of 56. So let's see. So 2 to the 4th is 16. And that doesn't work. I think this is just our answer. We can't go any further than this. Because 3 to the 4th is 81, so that's not going to work. All right, number 11, let's break it down. So root 48 is 16 times 3. Square root of 16 is 4, so I get 4 root 3. I want third root, so think about 8. 8 times 4 is 32. C to the 6th times C to the 1st. And then D to the 6th, D to the 2nd. So the third root of 8 is 2. Third root of C to the 6th, 3 goes in 6 twice. Third root of D to the 6th is D to the 2nd. And then I'm left with third root of 4CD squared. Number 14, let's multiply 6 times 12. And that's going to give me root 72. Realize root 72 is going to break down to 36 times 2. That's the biggest perfect square. So square root of 36 is 6. So I get 6 root 2. Multiply these together. I'm going to get third root of 54. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 2 is 54. So third root of 27 is 3. So I'm going to get 3 third root of 2. Oops, I skipped one. Okay. Oh, I guess I just skipped this one, didn't I? Fourth root of 162. So fourth root, let's go back to number 13. So 162 divided by 16. No, 162 divided by 64. Yeah, so this is going to be fourth root of 60 or 50. Hang on. Third roots. So our perfect fourths. So 3 to the fourth is 81. 2 to the fourth is 16. Let's see. Can I break 162 down? Yeah, it's going to be 81 times 2. And then x to the 8th, x to the 1st, y to the 12th. All right, so this is going to give me, my number, I have to shift everything down. So that's going to give me 3x squared y to the 3rd, and then fourth root of 2x. So this answer is number 13. So we move this down. Number 16 still have fourth roots. So 8 times 12 is 96. All right, so 3 to the 4th. So let's go with 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th is 16. 96 divided by 16 is 6. So 16. Fourth root of 16 is going to give me 2. Then I have fourth root of 6 underneath. Number 17, let's multiply like terms together, put it all together. So that's going to give me 18. That'll break down. X to the 6th, y to the 4th. Let's break 18 down to 9 times 2. So square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x to the 6th is x to the 3rd. Square root of y to the 4th is y to the 2nd. Then I have square root of 2 left. Number 18, third root. So third root, let's see, 16 times 4, 64. Oh, this is going to work nice. A to the 5th, A to the 7th is A to the 12th. B to the 4th, B to the 5th is B to the 9th. Okay, so the third root of 64 is 4. The third root of A to the 12th, 3 goes in 12 4 times, so it's A to the 4th. Third root of B to the 9th, 3 goes in 9 3 times. Look at that, that worked out nicely. This one comes out pretty nice, it's just 7 over 9. Third root of 1,000 is 10 over 3, so because 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000, 3 times 3 times 3. Square root of x squared is x, square root of 64 is 8. Fourth root of 16 is going to give me 2. Fourth root of a to the 8th is a to the 2nd. Fourth root of b to the 12th is b to the 3rd. That's going to give me root 25 because I reduce it, so it just gives me 5 for an answer. 2, and that's a 7. So I get 7. This 2 goes into 128 64 times. Tug of war with the x's. Top wins. Tug of war with the y's. Y wins by 2. Square root of 64 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Square root of y squared is y, and then I have square root of x. Let's see, third root of 8 is 2. Third root of a to the 3rd is just a. And then I have third root of b. But this, see this right here, it's going to move up. That's b to the third, so I have a b on top. So 2ab and third root of 27 over 3. Yeah, that negative exponent moves up. Gotta watch out for those. All right, reduce this. So I'm going to get fourth root. 2 goes into 32 16 times. That's a perfect fourth. So I'll get 2 out of that. A to the fifth is a to the fourth, a to the first. So fourth root of a to the fourth is that. This b moves up, so I have b to the fourth up top now. Fourth root of that is going to give me b. And so then I'm left behind with a fourth root of a on top. And that's it. There's my answer, 2ab, fourth root a. Add or subtract, remember if they're like radicals, you can just combine them. So that's going to give me 8 root 3. These are like terms, so that's going to give me 7 root 2. And that's going to give me 3 third root of 2. I have to break 24 down to 4 times 6. 6 is not going to break down, so we're just going to bring it down. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times the outside 3 is 6. So 6 root 6 plus 4 root 6 is 10 root 6. Third root of 24 is 8 times 3. 8 is perfect cube. Plus 8 times third root. 81 is 27 times 3. Third root of 8 is 2. 2 times the outside 6 is 12, so I get 12. Third root of 3. Third root of 27 is 3. Multiply that times the 8, so I'm going to get 24. Third root of 3. Combine like terms, so I'm going to get 36. Third root of 3. There's our answer. So this should help you on the quiz that we'll be having next time. Have a great day. Take care of one another. Be sure you do the quiz that is on Schoology. That'll get you a bonus point on the test. Just give it a good try. Have a great day.